Welcome everyone. Today's mindset and energy flow is a blend of EFT tapping and Qigong to help you become present in this moment. So find a quiet place to practice and let's get your mind calm and your energy flowing. Let's get into our Qigong stance, feet strong and grounded into the earth, shoulder width apart, a slight bend in the knees. Your spine is going to be tall and strong and the crown of the head is being pulled up towards the heavens. We'll begin by rubbing our hands together, creating some heat, some friction and energy. And we'll begin with some tapping. So place the arms across the chest. We're going to do some butterfly tapping and just repeat after me. I choose to be present in this moment. Inner eye, wiping away any fears or doubts about the future. Outer eye, and leaving behind any regrets about my past. Under eye, focusing on the here and now. Upper lip, feeling my breath flow through me. Chin, my heartbeat in my chest. Collarbone, my body strong and grounded. Underarm, relaxed and at peace in this moment. Top of the head, feeling fully present in my body and mind. Give a quick shake of the arms and relax your arms by your side. And just take a moment to feel your body in this moment, your feet grounded, your heart beating, your breath flowing. And then come into a stance wider than your shoulder width. Relax your arms and allow them to swing, knocking on your lower abdomen and your lower back. This is knocking on the door of life, and it's bringing circulation into your lower back, your kidneys, and energizing our central nervous system. So just twisting at the hips and just letting your arms knock. And then bring your arms up, now knocking across your chest. So again, swinging back and forth, giving a gentle knock, and bringing circulation to your heart and your lungs. And slow yourself down and center yourself, bringing your feet slightly inward. And go ahead and breathe in. You're going to extend your arms up, reach for the heavens. Exhale, press the hands together and bring them down the center of the body. With this move, we're making large circles with your arms, and a circle symbolizes fulfillment and feeling complete with oneself. Focusing on your breath and visualizing that circle being created around you. So breathing in, you're collecting that earth's energy. Exhaling, you're encasing or enclosing it around you, feeling one and fulfilled with the universe. So breathing in, reach the arms up. And exhale, slowly bringing them down to your lower dantian. This time on the exhale, keep your hands pressed together. Bring your feet out slightly wider than shoulder width. Inhale, bring your arms up. As you exhale, you're going to press your hands together again, and you're going to rotate from the hips and extend your arms out, flexing at the wrist. Breathing in, rotate back to center and draw your arms back up. Exhale, twist and push out. Inhale as you rotate and bring the arms up. Exhale down and pushing out. And inhale as you rotate, come back to center. And each time that you rotate, try to get deeper into that twist. You don't want to hurt yourself, do what feels good for you, but challenge your body, just get a little bit deeper into that twist. Twisting at the waist massages the internal organs, and having that flex in the wrist activates the meridian channels that run up along the hands and into the arms. Keeping your feet strong and grounded as you twist from the hips. exhale all the way down, getting yourself back to center. Just a little inhale, let your arms float down. Inhale, you're going to bring your arms up, bending at the elbows, compressing up the upper back and shoulders. As you exhale, you're bringing your arms parallel with each other and rounding the spine. So here we're getting a nice compression and expansion of the back. Inhaling as you draw your arms back and exhaling as you push them together. This is allowing fluid and energy to flow through the spine, so it's really helping to wake up our mind. And now we're going to add in some rotations, again to wring out those internal organs and get a slight twist in our spine. So inhale as you come up and rotate at the hips. Exhale as you come to center and curl the arms in, rounding the back. Inhale, rotate arms out. Exhale, arms in, curving at the back. And again, as always, go at a speed that feels good to you. And go ahead and inhale, come into a wider stance. Exhale, let the arms float down. Inhale, we're going to stretch our arms up. Exhale, bend at the knees and bring the arms down, reaching between your legs. Inhale, straighten the legs, bring the arms back overhead, bending at the back and pushing your hips forward. Keeping your arms straight as you extend forward and as you inhale and reach up. And exhale, bend at the knees, reaching between the legs. This exercise is called retrieving the moon from the sea. So envision as you come down, you're reaching between your legs, grabbing the moon and lifting it back up and placing it in the sky. And with each move, trying to get a little bit deeper with your reach and a little bit deeper in your back bend. Listening to whatever feels comfortable for your body. This move encourages a youthful body, encouraging flexibility in the spine and hips. It helps to strengthen the legs as well as works on our balance. Exhale, coming down, reaching as far as you can between your legs. Inhaling, coming up, getting a nice deep bend in the back. One more time, exhale as you come down, reaching between the legs, and inhale as you come up, reaching and bending back. And coming back to center, feet back to shoulder width apart. We're just going to play around a little bit with our moon, our energy. So rolling it around in our hands, feeling it roll like a ball in our palms. Breathe in, extend the hands, pulling the breath down into that ball, allowing the energy to grow. Exhale, draw the arms in, compressing our energy ball. Feeling your hands being pushed apart and pulled back together. Really concentrate, staring at that energy and feeling what you cultivated in between your hands. Now taking that nice ball of energy and we're going to place it on our lower dantian. And take a couple deep breaths. So breathing in, pulling that air all the way down to your lower belly. And exhaling out. Breathing in through the nose, all the way down to the belly. And breathing out through the nose, drawing the stomach towards the spine. And one more time, breathing in. And out. Bring your hands together, again creating that heat and friction, and doing another round of tapping. So placing your hands back into the butterfly tapping. Repeat after me. I choose to be present in this moment. Inner eye, wiping away any fears or doubts about my future. Outer eye, and leaving behind any regrets about my past. Under eye, focusing on the here and now. Upper lip, feeling my breath flow through me. Chin, my heart beat in my chest. Collarbone, my body strong and grounded. Underarm relaxed and at peace in this moment. Top of the head, feeling fully present in my body and mind. Place one hand on the heart, one on the lower dantian. And take a deep breath in and out. Feeling yourself be grounded into the earth. Your legs strong, your spine straight. Your head being pulled up towards the heavens. And go ahead and open your eyes. And as always, thank you for practicing with me today. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss out on new videos. Also, check out opalroots.com for more information and fun and alternative ways to heal.